Just ran all the way up here after that. That's me down that little bit there. But yeah, still not getting the sunset. Just missing it. Looks beautiful though. I might just come over. I've got another 10 minutes or something. I'll just wait a minute. I remembered about a bit further up again. Oh, I still missed it. Oh. We're back down there. Woo! What a day though, beautiful day. Oh, definite the universe is looking after me. I'm free to do whatever I want. There's no time scale. I don't think I'll ever get this opportunity again to do it like this. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, please. It will do us a world of good. I can keep doing these videos because I'm experiencing this with like no money. I'm not going out to fancy restaurants. I'm not really living what everyone else can do. But for me, this is perfect. Like this is better than 5-star restaurants for me. It tends to, like, yeah, can't beat it. Head back down to set up the tent now, and then get my head down, and I'll get moving. Tomorrow I've got to go up that path and up that way, and head on to a place called Lee, and then onto oh, it's another comb, Infocomb, or something like that. I'll tell you. Infochrome, I think. Yeah, doesn't really matter what's coming up for me. It's all beautiful along the way. It's all got their own unique characters. It's just showing you bits that most people can't get to. So that's why it's good for most, if they want to enjoy watching these videos. Hopefully it inspires you to get out and do a few walks, or get out and get some fresh air, do some grounding, and yeah, hear the sound of nature in the background, the sound of the sea. Yes, people, just that barbecue's going out. I'll leave that till the morning. This is my tent for the night. This is my view. But yeah, it's been a lovely day. I don't mind sleeping on some stones. It's all packed away. Leave no trace. But yeah, been a lovely day again. And that's me for the night now. I'm just gonna go and put my head down straight away. Can't get no phone reception here. Yes, people. So it's me all tidied away now. My tent there. View. Been a lovely day. Yeah, and if you want to subscribe, if not, then stick around anyway, because you'll probably be watching. Got a lot more videos to come, a lot more things to see, a lot more places to go. And yeah, just gonna put my head down now, and I'll see you in the morning. Peace.